everyone, this is not only for ladies, old ladies like me, but it's for everyone, young and old, all genders, and everything. Today is Amazon Prime Day 2024. So it's today, July 16th, and tomorrow, July 17th. So I was doing some research, the usual for my content, and I go like, oh my gosh, it's Amazon Prime Day. I have to let everyone know. So that's why this video is right here, and I hope I can edit it as quickly as I can so that I can share it with you, because the deals are just drop dead good deals. Check it out. It's natural desire. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to help you build your self-esteem, to make you feel good about yourself. I'm your rah-rah girl. So whether it's for fashion, for healthy living, for mental health, for looking good, dressing up, makeup, skincare, anything that makes you feel good about yourself. But today our topic is not about tips. Well, this is a tip because this is a tip for you to save a lot of money. It's Amazon Prime Day. My hair is everywhere because I was in such a rush. I wanted to like film this video right away. I put on my makeup though. Well, it's open to Amazon Prime members. So if you're a Prime member, you definitely will have access to Prime deals. You can go on to Amazon. To the right, there is Shop Prime deals. They have outlet deals. They have warehouse deals. They have a lot of items on sale. And I do have an Amazon shop. My name is Jackie D. And you can find my Amazon shop by just looking for Amazon shop Jackie D, or I'm going to put the link right here below. And then when you go on there, you can see that even my products are on sale, like dramatic sale. But again, make sure you buy only because you need them. You know, when items are on sale, you go like, oh my gosh, I need this. Oh my gosh, I better buy this because this is on sale. We still need to be a little bit frugal, right? If you don't need it, then we can't buy it really. But things like household items, like vacuum cleaners or appliances, you'll find ring lights, you'll find mirrors, vanity mirrors, and lots of skincare items and hair items. So I encourage you to come drop by my Amazon shop, check out, and do know that if you click on a link on my shop and then buy, I may get a little commission. It's very small. Commissions on Amazon are really small, but they add up. And I'm a very new affiliate, but just so you know, that's a declaration. Now, I was hearing one of our influencers on YouTube who said that, okay, what if you're not a Prime member, but you want to be a Prime member? You can apply for the, you know, the 30-day test, the 30-day trial thing. Apply for that Amazon Prime. What I like about Amazon is that it has a lot of amazing things. Lots of my stuff on sale. And today I may as well talk about something that I bought on Amazon. Like this one, for example. This is the Ulanzi Tripod and Selfie stick. Oh my gosh, I love this. This can go as far as 85 centimeters long. So this is a selfie stick, but this is also a tripod. Like you can put your camera on here, bam, and then there you go. That's landscape mode. Or you can loosen the knob here, and then you see this ball head, it rotates, and then you can do it this way, and then that way you can do portrait orientation mode, and then you can take a selfie. Right. I love my selfie stick, and you can loosen this, and then that way you can open it from here and put it on my shoulder here. There you go. And this can go as far as whatever. I'm only mentioning this because it's on sale. I just saw that this is selling for such a low price. And so check it out. The link is on there. Like this one. I have this on my Amazon shop, but you can find it anywhere on Amazon. This one where you curl your hair. I actually used this one to curl my hair today. I love this one. And then you just tie it with this one. So that's another one. So go quickly. Make sure you don't miss the sale. The sale happens today and tomorrow. So here are some details about Amazon Prime, okay? These are things that I'd like you to remember while you're shopping on Amazon. Of course, some of the best discounts are on Amazon. And you know, some prices on Amazon are actually really already low. So if you get deals on there, then that's even a double bonus, right? So you get so many products from wellness to home, garden, clothes, shoes, skincare, makeup, anything under the sun. Most everything under the sun, because they don't sell animals. I don't think so. But anyways, That's one. Now remember, this is just a 48-hour deal. So today, July 16th, I hope this video gets in time for you to be able to watch it. And then tomorrow, so 16th and 17th. Well, I don't think we'll be shopping for 24 hours non-stop, right? So you have today until tomorrow to shop on Amazon. So if you're also interested in electronic devices or gadgets, take note, camera, lighting equipment. I have a beautiful, beautiful ring light that I use, and it's on sale on Amazon. It's also available in my shop. If you're going into content creation, then gadgets like headphones, earphones, mics, tripods, mic tripod, stand, they are on there. So why does Amazon hold a Prime Day? According to Amazon, it's their way of showing appreciation for their customers like us. They know the value that we all bring to the table, so this is their sort of pay it forward kind of thing. So it's amazing, right? It's always good to like give and take, yeah. I love you, you love me, we are one big we're one happy family. Barney. So you're probably asking, okay, I want to be a Prime member, a Prime Amazon member. How can you be one? Well, you sign up for that membership, and apparently it's like $14.99 US dollars a month, or $139 per year. But then again, you can sign up for the trial period, and I'm sure that once you sign up, you're probably going to love it. So once you're signed up for Prime, make sure to do research, and then you set up an alert. And then that way, when the product is published, then you get that alert. But otherwise, just go on Amazon and just take a look at all the deals, even if you're not a Prime member. That doesn't stop you from availing of some of the best discounts ever, like their jaw-dropping discounts. I was just looking at my items on my shop, for example, and they were already on sale, and then now it says Amazon Prime Day sale. So it's even further discounted. It's amazing. So, all of these products, we ladies, we talk about beauty products, hair products. Go on Amazon, because they just might be there. Then you can take advantage of the discount, right? And gentlemen and everyone who's not an older lady like myself, if you're looking for gadgets, shirts, shoes, gadget, fishing rod, anything. I can't even think of everything, but like, scissors, anything, whatever comes to your mind, trimming, grass, garden, oh my gosh, everything. Also, make sure to compare prices. On Amazon, they have what they call Amazon's Choice or something, but right now, I think everything is Amazon's Choice. Now it's people's choice, whatever you want. There's lightning deals, outlet deals, so you have every reason to shop around and check out the best price ever. Also, check out the feedback. I would always say that, when there are competing products, the feedback is always good. Like how many stars, and also how many people have reviewed it, right? Always good to check out feedback, because that's the public talking about the product. There you go. So I put some links in my description below on tips on how to buy on Amazon Prime Day, and then that way you are getting the best out of this event. And I hope you found this episode helpful. I really hope. And then remember me when you're shopping on Amazon. Oh my gosh, that was Jackie who told me the deals are so good. Oh my gosh, so right now, after this, I'm going to shop because I need to buy some, I'm out of Olaplex number 6, which is my leave-in conditioner. Olaplex number 6. That's what I use for my hair. I have very thin hair. This is my real hair. I would have hair extensions like twice a year for weeks. They're sewed in, not this time. This is my real hair. Sometimes I'd have clip-on extensions. Sometimes I'll have a topper. Otherwise, this is my real hair, but it's dry. Well, it's looking good because I use Olaplex leave-in conditioner. That is my favorite hair tip. If you have dry hair, thin hair, try that. And yes, if you buy anything on my store and click on the link and buy, I may get a little commission, enough for me to buy coffee, my favorite coffee. What's your favorite coffee? Okay, so let me know how it goes. Go shop, enjoy shopping, and remember, there are always products that are good for us. We always just make sure we need them and not just want them. And then that way we don't regret what we buy, right? But if they make you feel good and make you look good and make you feel so proud of yourself, go treat yourself. Pamper yourself. It's your me time because you are fabulous. Remember, I'm just your rah-rah girl. You're the star. You're the rock star. You're the beautiful human being sitting right in front of me and watching this video. I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And if you've been a subscriber for a long time, I really appreciate your support. I'm so happy we met here on YouTube. By the way, I turn 63 next month, August. I'm thinking of doing a live because I want to meet you all and I want to have a live conversation with y'all. I don't know how to do it, so I have to research. I'm going to figure it out. So if I will look like an idiot on my first live, please know that it's because it's my first time on YouTube. But simply because I'm just so excited to meet you all. Until then, I know you have to go shop. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the day. Bye for now.